Hello everybody, today I am going to be gambling on our world with, coin boxes and some nebula crystals. I almost just said, I almost mixed up my words there for a second. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the marketplace, and I'm going to buy a bunch of coin boxes. I've already bought some coin boxes, but I'm just gonna record me, buying a few more, and then I'm gonna buy some nebula crystals. I keep trying to say the wrong thing. But anyways, so I'm just gonna buy a few of these. It might say that I've already bought them, or that somebody's already bought them, because I just bought some of them, so it might not let me. And somebody just bought one of my Zoe's passes, so I got more coins. I have no idea who it was, but I'm very thankful to whoever just bought it. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving everybody some coins for their coin boxes, and I'm going to be seeing if I gain or lose any. And then I will, oops, hold on a minute. Struggle is real. I will add up all of the coin boxes that I've bought, which is like, they're 230k each, so I'll just add that up, and then after I open them all, I will see, I've already opened a few of them up down here, and each of them were 230k down here, so down here I've made profit, because that's 2, 4, 6, 8, that's a million right there, and then 30 for each. That's about 1,200,000, 1,300,000, and there's a million. There's 1,100,000. There's 1,150,000 right there. So I'm pretty sure I made profit off of that. I have no idea, but anyways, even if I don't, oh well. But yeah. So it's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna open some of them up and see if I can make a good profit off of it or not, which I probably won't. But I find it kind of fun to do, so why not? So I'm probably gonna buy. Hold on, I'm gonna see how many I have right now. I have. Whoops. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 of them. So I'm probably gonna buy some nebula crystals. I don't know why I want to say nebulous. Anyways, gonna search up nebula. Oh, crystal. I keep Oops. Oh my goodness, struggle. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna do for coins, and this is 2,640,000, so I'm gonna buy a few of these. I don't know why, but I absolutely love like buying stuff on here that are like boxes or mystery boxes and stuff like that. I just find it fascinating. So I've already bought a bunch from like the same person right here. Probably just gonna buy everything on this list. That way I can, just open all of them and satisfy my craving of opening a bunch of boxes. And I'm gonna let you guys watch me do it, so. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna open them up now and see what I get. I'm gonna go into the mystery box area, so that way you guys can see all the stuff that I bought so far. So I spent 2,600,000 on each of these, and I spent 230k on each of the coin boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with coin boxes. Let's see what I get from this box. Spent 230k on it. Got a 50k super coin. Alright, I'm gonna scroll down here and open up another one. And even if I do lose some profit, it's not like I'm really losing much, since it's only 230k, which can only buy like one small, so at least somebody else can use the coins that I'm giving them, which I'm completely fine with, helping out people and giving them coins for their coin boxes. Okay, so far it looks like I'm losing more profit than gaining, but I'm completely fine with that. I mean, maybe one day I'll like open up one of these boxes and get like a lot of profit. But yeah, all of these coins right here have been a loss of profit. Most of these are probably like what people got from crews and stuff, because if you get them from the crew, then they're gonna be less. They're gonna be worth a lot less whenever you open them. Because the crew items, they give you like most of the coin boxes that you get from there have like 50 to 100 super coins, because normally you don't really buy them or whatever. But, or from what I know of, I don't really think people buy the coin stuff. I can't even think properly. But yeah, I have one coin box left. Let's see if I can get, I made like a 30k profit on that, or a 20k profit with that super coin. And now here's for the last one, the last coin box. And then I'm going to be opening up the nebula crystals and see what I get from there. Alright, so it looks like I had a loss of profit with the super coins, but I'm completely fine with that. Now I'm going to open up some nebula crystals and see if I can get anything that's worth it. Which, knowing me, I don't have much luck, so I bought that for like 2,600,000, and I got that's worth like 3 million. Maybe I could resell it and then buy another nebula crystal and maybe get lucky. I have no idea. I think that's less than 2,600,000, but it's fine. I could also sell that one, but I'm probably just gonna use these. I ended up opening up one of these and like I got a 5k flow cluster, and I had only bought like one of them, and I was literally like, I flipped out because it was like really amazing. You guys have no idea how good it feels to like open up one of these and get like a 5,000 flow cluster. It's like such a relief, because like you're expecting to get like 100 flow or whatever, or something lame like that. And of course I love flow, so by the way, if you guys have any flow or anything like that, let me know, because I will definitely like go to your I can't even talk, your shop, and I will buy it from you, because I am addicted to these. I'm probably gonna buy some more. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy some more. So I think I've lost profit on this one too. Hold on, I'm gonna add up all of these. That's 6 million, 3 million, 9. Oh wow, these are very low. That's 1,400 for both of these. I mean 1 million. Can't even think properly. So that's 10 million right there. That's 11 million. And that's 14 million. And I have no idea who this is, but okay, I'm gonna add them. So from 14 million, that's 59. So yeah, I think I profited off of that, because I was at 50 whenever I started buying these, I think. I don't remember, but yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yeah, so I made some profit off of that. I made like 2 million profit from the flow clusters, but I'm probably gonna end up like using them or something. Now I'm gonna see how much I lost or gained off of the super coins, which I'm pretty sure I lost. But yeah, I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna add that up, and I'll like let you guys know. Okay, so I had to use the calculator because I did not feel like adding that up with my simple brain, which I probably would have like messed up or something. But I spent 3,680,000, or wait, hold on. Yeah, I think, yeah, 3,680,000, and I've earned I'm gonna start with the 500k first. So I've earned 1,500,000, 1,000,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 1,800,000. I can't even do this right now. Hold on, I'm gonna add this all up. That way you guys that way you guys don't have to deal with the struggle of me looking through all of these, adding them up, because like my brain right now cannot comprehend because I'm so tired. Okay, so I decided to use a calculator again because I didn't feel like using my mind to do it on its own. There were so many of them, and that would have like taken a while for my mind to process that. But I earned 2,500,000. So I think I lost profit on the coins, but I earned profit on the flow clusters, and I'm probably gonna go to the shop and buy some more, because why not? Because I'm addicted to doing that. So I'm gonna do nebula crystal again, and I'm gonna buy a bunch of them. I'm gonna buy some from this person, Tomato Ghost, since I've already bought a bunch from that person up there. I'm gonna buy one more from that person. Maybe this time I'll get a 5,000 flow cluster, because if I get one of those, then it would definitely have been worth it, since a 5,000 flow cluster is like, I have no idea, it's like 40 million. I'll like pull it up in a minute. I think I already clicked buy on this one. No, I didn't. Alright, I'm gonna stop right there. Okay, yeah, 5,000 flow cluster is 40 million. And I've gotten one of them before, which was enough profit for me. And I'm definitely thankful for that. Okay, so I'm gonna open up these, and then I'm going to end the video. And hopefully I get a 5,000 flow cluster, which I highly doubt will happen. I feel like it's kind of a 1 in a... I have no idea chance. Alright, 2 more left to open up. So far I've gotten 300 flow out of opening these, which is like, not even, it's about 1 million. Yeah, these are unlucky. Tomato Ghost's Nebula Crystal cases are very unlucky. That's what I'm gonna say. I think the last one I bought, yeah, they're unlucky. I lost a lot of profit on that one. But I'm completely fine with it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in flow, let me know. But I really love flow, so you're probably gonna have to like offer a lot more than what you would normally want to, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to check out my giveaway page, which is arworld.giveaways on Instagram. And yeah, so pretty much that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe or dislike if you don't like it, and comment, and add me on Our World.